So this is all the plantain we have here. I'm gonna start frying them. Let's make some plantain chip and cassava pone for Asian Heritage celebration at school tomorrow for Justin. So let's start prepping our stuff. We can fry the plantain today because, plantain doesn't spoil. Maybe I can make the cassava pone tonight too. So let's start prepping these things. This plantain taking forever to peel. Usually I get Devin to help me do these things, but today it's just me and Justin. He's here, but he's not helping, and there's not much he can help me do. So yeah, this will take me a while. I have to multitask. So I'm not sending him in an Indian outfit tomorrow though. I'm sending him in something Guyanese, maybe like a t-shirt that has Guyana flag on it, because it's like a cultural celebration. And I know in Guyana when we do cultural day, it's mostly like we wear Indian clothes or African clothes or whichever background we're from, but here we do like the country we're from. So originally he's from Guyana, so we need to do Guyanese food, Guyanese culture. Right now we're just peeling it. I put on the oil to hot. When it's heated, then I'll start frying this. And obviously I'm going to be using my slicer to make it really thin. Because when it's thin and nice and it's like crisp, and then the kids will enjoy it. So let's do that. So basically I've started peeling some plantain. I don't know why I pick up so much because I'm gonna take for my kids as well. So yeah, let's do that. This is so spicy. Get out of here.
Paper, this is a yummy cup. Come on. This is no matter.
Is watching me cook now. This is all the plantain we have here. I'm gonna start frying now. So let's start slicing it up in the hot oil. Let's test this oil out here. Oh, it's hot. Gotta turn this on because you don't want to burn. Steaming. this is all crispy. I'm gonna start taking it out now. So when you notice it's getting nice and crisp and loose, that's when you know it's done. I'm just gonna put it in this bowl and then I'm gonna put it into the tray that I'm gonna be taking it in. I'm just trying to lean out all the oil or drain it out a little. It looks so good, guys. Justin loves plantain chips. When I say he loves plantain chips, he loves it. So that's why I knew that this would have been the best food for him to take for Culture Day, because this is one of his favorites, and I don't think there's anything else I would have given him and he would have enjoyed, and his friends. So this will be amazing for tomorrow. I have to put down my ventilator a little because it's getting pretty heated and smoky in here. And that usually happens with plantain chips. Actually sharp. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll be cutting yourself off. But I've been doing this for a long time, so I've got a really hang of it. And I'm making it very often. Guess what, guys? One set of plantain chip is done. So let's add some salt to it so it's gonna have a nice taste. I can't believe it came out so much. I think I only used like 5 plantain, but the thing is the plantains are big. So yeah, I guess. Alright,